Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi name of Sudoku puzzle on April 10, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column G, we have 3, 1, 6. That 3 number can't come the 2 cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row and column E we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E we have 2, 4, 7. That 3 number can't come the 2 cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G and 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B and column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade. Then 8th row, we have pair numbers 8 and 5. So 8 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7, 9. 9th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 9th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 9th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C and then column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th grade. Then column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9s can't confirm here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column C, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then the 1 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Column C, we have 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come any one of the cells. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Column I, then column J, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. First grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Second row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Seventh row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Fifth row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Seventh row and column fifth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, column D, 6 and 9. Fifth row, we have 6, so 6 can't come this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Fourth row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fourth row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Fourth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.